experiment today. Today is going to be very fun and interesting for all of you. Today we are going to do the experiment that is editable sedimentary rock layer. Okay? So everyone read it together. 1, 2, go. Okay, let's see what we are going to do for the experiment today. First, you have to understand, okay, all the material needed in this experiment and also the step and the directions for the experiment. Let's see for the directions first. First, you have to get into groups of 4 or 5. Okay, got it? And then you have to get all the materials. Okay, I will give all of the materials to each group. Okay, and these are the material that we need for today. And after that, you have to perform the experiment with your friends in your group, right? And finally, you have to, okay, and the last thing you must do is to present the result in front of the class, okay? So, okay, and I will provide you for the worksheet or the paper, okay, for you to write down for the result of the experiment, okay? Let's see what we need for this experiment. And these are the experimental materials for today. Okay, first one, what is that? A plastic cup. Okay, this one. Okay, and next is the cookies. Here is the cookies for all of you. We will use it as a grain or a sediment, okay, to show the fragment that are breaking down from the big one. And then, what is that? The sticky note. Here is the sticky note for all of you. Okay? And the last one, what is that? Okay, plastic globe. Why do we have plastic globe? That because we play with the food. Okay? Okay, we play with the food, all the things that we can eat. You need to be clean. So everyone must wear plastic globe with your 2 hands. Okay? Okay, then let's start with the first step. Okay, first you have to listen carefully. Okay, just listen for the whole step here first, and then I will let all of you perform the experiment with your friends in your group, and I give you 15 minutes. Okay, so for the first step, you need to put the extremely precious cookies. This one. Okay, this one. You have to put it down at the bottom of a plastic cup, okay? And this layer will show you for the cementation layer. And then, what are we gonna do? Next, you have to, as a second layer, you have to add or put the white grain, okay? This is the white grain as the second layer. And then, okay, for the third layer is the layer of compaction layer. Okay, you need to put the crushed cookie, this one, okay, at the third layer of a plastic cup. Okay, to show the compaction layer. Well, as a fourth layer, you have to add the white grain again. Okay, and then for step number 5. Okay, step number 5, you need to put a piece of cookies at the 5th layer of the plastic cup, this one. Okay? Okay, and this layer will show you for the sedimentation or deposit layer. Okay? And finally, what are we going to do? Step number 6, you need to label each layer with a sticky note, and that's it. Okay? This is a sticky note for all of you. Okay? You need to write down what is this layer and also this one and this one. The name of each layer. Okay? Just like the first layer or the bottom is cementation layer, compaction and sedimentation layer. And that's all for first step. So, first you need to get into group of 4 or 5. So now everyone stand up and then get into group of 4 or 5. Okay, everyone. Now let's start with the first step. Okay.
ช้อน
สายนี้นับเป็นเท่าไหร่
3 ตัน
ขออีกครั้งหนึ่ง
3 ตัน
ให้อีก
Yeah, it's up to you. But think about your friends behind. เอากี่ช้อน
มันแข็งอ่ะแต่ก็2 ช้อนพอใหญ่ๆไม่ผิด
อาจารย์ถามเมื่อด้านหลังด้วยว่าเคยนึกถึงตอนอยู่ด้านหลังไหมอย่าไปนึกถึงกันในวันที่สายไปแล้ว ไม่มีค่า
ชั้นแรกชั้นที่ 3เป็นคอมมิชชั่นชั้นที่ให้เห็นซีเมนต์ชั้นที่ 2จะเป็นคอมมิชชั่นชั้นที่ 3จะเป็นซีเมนต์อะไรสักอย่างเซดิเมนชั่นเซดิเมชั่นตาตัวตีไม่เอาตาตัวตีซูเปอร์ซิชั่นโอ้มาไม่ต้องเขียนก่อนดีกว่าลืม
บาง4 โมง 6 โมง
Okay, that is for experiment. But now you have to present, okay, your results. Okay, let's start with group number 1. Okay, in right, stand up. Everyone, listen to your friends, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are Group 1. After we finish our experiment about the education supplement rock layer,
is the comparison of the layer, the first layer, in the sediment or expression layer. The second layer is the comparison layer. The last one, the complementation.
good afternoon, everyone. We are majors. After we finish our experiment about the inevitable sedimentary rock layers,
Our model is composed of 3 layers. The first layer is sedimentation or deposition layer.
the second layer is the compaction layer. The last one is the cementation layer. As you can see, the layer on the top of sedimentation layer is the newest layer, but the oldest layer is the layer at the bottom of the top of cementation layer. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Alright, okay, that is for editable sedimentary rock layer activity or the experiment. So now let's move to the next activity. Okay? Okay, everyone get back to your seat and clean all their stuff. Okay?